So help me feed my chicken. Yeah, let's go. This is the first chicken house. This is their feeding trough. So let's go to another one. This one. So this is their gate. There we go. So I'll have to close it before I feed them, because hey, they might go out. This is their feeding trough. They're just simple things. So see them. Actually, these are free range. So this is where they stay. If we want to pick eggs, to collect eggs, this is where they are supposed to lay eggs from. This is where they stay. You can see this is where they stay. Okay, see them, see they are feeding. Okay, let's go bring their water. Let's go bring their water with me. Let's go. It's just right here. So we are just simple things. Huh? See their water, and here we go. Yeah, that's it. And guess what? I want to show you my passion. See, like I'm a farmer. Let's just say that I am a farmer. Just see. Fruits. Just see the fruits. Actually, we did this just last year, September. That's when we planted this. And see how, like we just say 1 year down the line. And here is the strawberries. We are trying to grow strawberries. These are the strawberries. See them. See the strawberry. Yeah, that's it. See my passion. This one. Passion. Just see. See it. Passion kwa mpigo. So you want some? Just call me. Just subscribe to my YouTube channel and we'll link up. I will show you everything. Indeed, I am a farmer. You want some fruits? Come over. See this one? Big. Kai. Look at it. Just look at it. Even I have vines, for sweet potato vines. Kai. And the biringanya is this one. So bye guys. Thank you for your time.